Burst Money is a decentralized finance platform aimed to make end-user experiences interacting with DeFi products as seamless as possible. Burst is a DeFi platform as well as NFT marketplace. Burst platform is looking to bring new DeFi concepts to the new wave of people entering crypto who are not as knowledgeable as the ones that have been around for years now. 200k Burst Money airdrop phase 2 is ongoing and first phase is already closed, so don't miss the second phase. Guys, you can join this worthy airdrop campaign. Just follow this requirement. Follow, retweet, tag 5 friends on this post. Join Burst Telegram. Create a Burst wallet. Copy your Burst ERC20 address. Submit address. Burst has a super sleek non-custodial wallet that is released and working. This allows for all interactions with the Burst platform to be totally secure. Users will be in complete control with their private keys and can use their crypto assets in the way that they were intended to be used. The wallet will not only host Burst, it will also host other major cryptos such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with ERC20, BEP20, and various NFTs on their wallet. The non-custodial wallet can be accessed on any mobile web browser and through any web browser. This will allow for anyone wanting to partake in the offered DeFi features to do it on the go or from the comfort of their home and on any device. What is advantages in Burst Money platform? Burst is a fully decentralized non-custodial wallet and DeFi platform. Trustlessly non-custodian. Burst Money does not custody your private keys. Your private keys are stored only on your device. A popular crypto quote, not your keys, not your funds. Fun and user-friendly interface. Most crypto wallets require users to submit personal information to create a wallet. With Burst, all you need is a web browser and yourself to manage your crypto assets. Your keys, your crypto, your way, YOLO. Built by the community for the community. Burst is a decentralized community-governed project with a unified notion to harness DeFi, decentralized finance, for social good, creating a trustless, seamless, and transparent access to decentralized financial products. Users will be able to swap their crypto assets on Burst with Burst tokens or other major cryptocurrencies. There is 25% of the total supply of 31,000,000 available through the pre-sale. The pre-sale can be joined by swapping ETH or BNB. For Burst, click on this link. Burst BEP20 can be swapped with BNB here. Burst ERC20 can be swapped with ETH here. Phase 1 pre-sale April 1, 2021. Phase 2 pre-sale May 1, 2021. Crowd sale June 1, 2021. Bonus stages Phase 1 April 1 to April 30, 25% discount. Phase 2 May 1 to May 31, 15% discount. Crowd sale June 1 to June, 5% discount. Burst Money Tokenomics. Burst is a platform governance cross-chain token minted on Ethereum's ERC20 and Binance Smart Chain's BEP20 blockchain. Total supply fixed, burnable. 31 million Burst. Acceptable currency ETH BNB. Token distribution. Pre-sale 25%, marketing 20%, yield farming 35%, developers or team 10%, rewards and airdrop 10%. Roadmap to crypto widespread Burst usage and adoption. Quarter 1 2021. Burst development and deployment. Quarter 2 2021. Burst token pre-sale, Burst DeFi wallet launch, Burst cross-chain Atomic Swap launch. Quarter 2 2021. Burst yield platform farming. PancakeSwap IFO. PancakeSwap listing. Uniswap listing and other exchange. Quarter 3 2021 DEX integration. Quarter 4 2021 leading an AMM launch.